Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Beena Paleja from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 Air Force Station Jamnagar. Library presents important days and events of January. It is the first month of the beginning of the new year. Various festivals, events of national and international importance falls in the month of January. 1st January Global Family Day. It is celebrated as a day of peace and sharing. Its aim is to unite and spread a message of peace by considering and promoting the idea that Earth is one global family so as to make the world a better place to live for everyone. 6th January World Day of War Orphans. On 6th January every year, World Day of War Orphans is celebrated to create awareness about the plight of the war orphans and to address the traumatic conditions faced by them. 9 January NRI Day or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. NRI or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas observed every year on 9 January to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the development of India. This day also commemorates the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai on 9 January 1915. 11 January Death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of independent India. He popularized the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He actively participated in India's freedom struggle. Due to cardiac arrest, he died on 11 January 1966. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. 12 January National Youth Day. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda is also called Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, is celebrated every year on 12 January. He was born on 12 January 1863. The government had decided to observe it as National Youth Day because the philosophy of Swamiji and the ideals for which he lived and worked could be a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. He had given a speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago and glorified India's name. 14 January Makar Sankranti. It is celebrated in January every year and marks the termination of the winter season and the beginning of a new harvest season. On this auspicious day, the sun enters the zodiac sign of Capricorn or Makar, which marks the end of winter months and the beginning of longer days. 15 January Indian Army Day. Every year, 15 January is observed as National Army Day because on this day, in 1949, Field Marshal Kondantera M. Kariyappa took over as the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief. Give me blood and I will give you freedom, the famous slogan given by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. He was one of the most prominent Indian freedom fighters. His army was known as Indian National Army or Azad Hind Fauj. 24 January National Girl Child Day. On 24 January every year, National Girl Child Day is celebrated to highlight the inequalities faced by a majority of the girls in India, the importance of education, nutrition, legal rights, medical care, and safety of girl children, etc. 25 January National Voters Day. Every year on 25 January, National Voters Day or Rashtriya Matadata Divas is celebrated to encourage young voters to take part in the political process. In 2011, the first time this day was celebrated to mark Election Commission's Foundation Day. 25 January National Tourism Day. Every year on 25 January, National Tourism Day is celebrated in India to raise awareness and educate people about the importance of tourism and the role it plays in the Indian economy. 26 January Republic Day. On 26 November 1949, the Indian Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, the supreme law of the land, and replaced the Government of India Act 1935. It became into effect on 26 January 1950 with a democratic government system. This day marks the largest parade that took place at Rajpath, Delhi every year. 26 January International Customs Day. International Customs Day is celebrated every year on 26 January by custom organization to recognize the role of custom officials and agencies in maintaining border security. It also focuses on the working conditions and challenges that custom officers face in their jobs. 28 January birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was born on 28 January 1865 in Punjab. He was a prominent nationalist leader who played an important role in India's struggle for freedom. He also earned the title of Punjab Kesari or the Lion of the Punjab. He initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank. He died on 17 November 1928 due to serious injuries. 30 January Martyrs Day or Shaheed Divas. 30 January is celebrated as Martyrs Day or Shaheed Divas every year in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi and the sacrifices of three revolutionaries of India. As on 30 January 1948, the father of nation was assassinated. And on 23rd March, three heroes, namely Bhagat Singh, Shivaram Rajguru, and Sukhdev Thapar of the nation, were hanged to death by the British. 30 January, World Leprosy Eradication Day. World Leprosy Eradication Day is observed on the last Sunday of January to focus on the target of zero cases of leprosy related disabilities in children. That's all for today's information. Keep watching my videos. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.